Interior pictures coming soon! You will love the Key West decor and private balcony with new patio furniture. This condo sits right on the beach, so offers golf breezes and endless summer views. A well-cared-for unit by both the owners and the on-site maintenance program. Water heater installed 2012. Air conditioner on maintenance program. New master carpet. Coastal air system installed to control air conditioner usage and cost. Majestic offers some great amenities like indoor and outdoor pools, hot tubs, children and kiddie pools, poolside bar and grill, market, fitness center with steam, sauna, massage, movie theater, owner's lounge.